Hi, in this video, I will show you how to use the Truss Bridge Simulator. So what you need to do is to go to the interaction simulation link in this tile. So you just click on this one, and then you scroll down to the Truss Bridge Force simulation. So you click on this link, and then take you to the simulator. So I will take it like step by step, but you need this simulator specifically to submit your assignment one, and some of you will require this when they do the project. So because if you take the Truss Bridge project, then you need to use the simulator as well. So when you open the simulator, you will have this blank graph paper, and you can start design your own truss system or truss bridge. For example, if you look at here at the top, there is what we call node, member, force, pinned, horizontal roller, vertical roller. So all these are part of the design item. So for example, you want to have a node, you click on here, this is the node 0, and then it's a node 1, and then you click on node 2, node 3, node 4, and so on. So when you finish distributing your nodes, you can connect these nodes with the members. You remember that in the lecture you took how to design a member or a truss system. So you need to connect the nodes with members so that you will have a complete truss system. So what I can do here, I can connect all these members, all these nodes with members. So I click on member key here, and then connect each two node with a member, and then until you finish the whole design. For example, I'll do it this way. I want to make a truss bridge, so I need to connect all nodes with beams or members. Until you finish the complete design of the. So you just one click on the node, and then you drag the member to the other node, and then one click on this node and drag it to the other, and so on. Once you complete the design, you need to show where is the pinned node. Remember, we have nodes that are not pinned, and nodes represents the support of the bridge. So basically, number 3 and number 7 must be the support of the bridge because we are connecting between two sides. So if I need to do this, I have to click on the pinned. This is the pinned, and then go back to the node number 3, and you click on it. You can see here we have pinned node, which is represent the support. If I want to put a roller on node 7, I can choose the horizontal roller here, click on the roller, and then go back to the node and click on the node with that roller. This is the roller. So you can see now one side of the bridge is fixed node, the other side has a roller node. To complete your truss bridge analysis here, you need to apply a load on the bridge so that you can find the force components in different members and in different nodes. So for example, if I apply a load at the middle of the bridge, for example, at node 0, I need to go to the force function here, click on this force key, and then I can go to the node 0, click on that node, and then drag the force. This represents the force. If you can have a look to the top, you can always change the amount of the force. So for example, it's downward. You can see here, it is in this box here, and then underneath, because we are only applying force in y-axis, then it's only Fy, we don't have Fx. So we have 100, for example, 100 units, whether it's Newton, kilonewton, it's non-dimensional unit here. So we just give non-dimensional unit for the time being. So it's 100. So minus 100 because it's going downward. So this is the complete now design of the bridge. And then you can start, click on the solve. So once you click on solve, then this will give you, if you can see here, the different forces in each member and in each node of the bridge. Or also you can see here in the table, these are the nodes, let's say, for example, from 6 to 4, the member 6 to 4, which is at the top here, member 6 to 4. We can find what's the length of that member and what's the force. If it's minus, then it's compression, or it's if in red color, then it's compression, or if it's in positive or blue color, then it's tension force. So you can use this to practice, as well as comparing your design with the simulation design. For the time being, I recommend you to go to the pre-built truss, because this simulator, if you have a look to the top here, you have 4 ready or pre-built truss. So you can click on any of them and try to practice yourself before you go to the real design. So for example, this is number 1, the design 1, which is already made by the simulator. You can change the forces here if you like. So if you go to the right side here to this box, you can always change the Fx and Fy value. For example, rather than 30, I can make it, let's say 20. Then it will reduce, you can see here. Or you can change the Fx rather than minus, for example, 10, make it, for example, 20. So that's will change the whole design. And then you can compare your calculation with the results here. So you can practice and prepare yourself well to the assignment or to the project. So please refer to this simulator and try to practice and understand what do we mean by truss analysis. Thank you for listening.